All right, voici les questions pour section 5.10, l'érosion. On va faire question 1, 2 et 3. So it says, les quatre principaux agents d'érosion sont le vent, l'eau, le passage des glaciers ainsi que le gel et dégel. Indique le principal agent d'érosion à l'origine de chacun des phénomènes suivants. So there's going to be, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phenomena, and we're going to say which one matches the best. Which cause of erosion? Would it be le vent, wind, water, l'eau, le passage des glaciers, which means gel, frost, and dégel, thaw. So, question A. À Gaspé, le rocher percé, situé dans le golfe du Saint-Laurent, est percé d'un grand trou. So this big rock has like a big hole in it. So what would cause that, do you think? Which of the 4 agents d'érosion? And that would be l'eau. Water would cause that. Au printemps, on voit apparaître des fissures dans la chaussée. So we talked before about les fissures, that'd be like cracks. So if cracks happen in rock, that would be from le gel et dégel. So it'd be from the rocks like freezing and then thawing out. Same with our pavement in the winter and summer. La rivière Colorado coule au fond du Grand Canyon. So the Colorado River that flows in the Grand Canyon, that would be, of course, water. La vallée du Rhône en France est apparue après une ère glaciaire. So the valley, it actually was formed by a giant glacier. So that, of course, would be the passage of glaciers, les passages des glaciers. And finally, le Sphinx en Egypte présente des traces d'érosion. So the Sphinx in Egypt, very, very windy. It's like desert-like, so that would be le vent, the wind. Question 2. Le sol de la planète Mars présente des traces d'érosion. Nomme 2 facteurs qui pourraient expliquer cette érosion. So the soil on the planet Mars does show traces of erosion. So it's asking, what would 2 factors be, do you think, that would explain this erosion? So here's some examples of answers. Exemple de réponse. Il y a peut-être déjà eu de l'eau sur la planète Mars. So maybe there was water at one time on Mars. Les vents peuvent avoir érodé la surface de la planète. Okay, so it's another explanation. So wind could have eroded the surface of the planet. Des glaciers ont peut-être sculpté le relief de la planète Mars. So maybe there were glaciers at one time that sculpted the landscape of Mars. And le gel et dégel ont pu éroder les roches. So maybe frost and thaw eroded the rocks on Mars. La dernière question, numéro 3. La montagne de gauche est plus ancienne que celle de droite. Comment le sait-on? So the mountain on the left is older, more ancient than the one on the right. So how do we know that? So it says, l'image de gauche montre une montagne fortement usée par l'eau et par le vent, car son sommet est arrondi et peu élevé. So it's saying that the image on the left shows a mountain that was, strongly hit by the wind and water because its sommet, its summit is rounded, and peu élevé means it's not very high. Le sommet de l'image de droite est très pointu. So the summit, the top of this mountain on the right side, the right picture, is very pointy. Le vent ne l'a pas encore beaucoup endommagé. So the wind didn't really damage it much yet. De plus, il est dépourvu de végétation et couvert de neige. So, moreover, it doesn't have any vegetation, whereas this one does. It has plant and tree life. This one doesn't, and it's still covered in snow. Cela montre qu'il est probablement très élevé. So because there's snow on the top of its summit, it shows that it's probably very high up in the atmosphere. So ça c'est tout. Il y a seulement 3 questions et vous pouvez compléter votre MOLAB. Au revoir.